Driving during the winter season can be a very problematic task to accomplish. In this short video, we'll be going over some crucial tips to ensure safe travels this winter.
Immediately start your car and leave it running 10 to 15 minutes before leaving to defrost any ice and clear up any fogging on your windows.
Before stepping on the gas, make sure to have cleared all snow and ice from your windows with the use of a scraper.
Make sure that your tires are properly equipped for the winter and are fully inflated before driving.
Try to keep your gas tank full at all times during the winter and not below the half full line.
Increase your following distance between vehicles to prevent possible collisions when braking.
If you are driving on slick roads, you need to be extremely cautious and drive below the posted speed limits or slower than usual. Pre-treated roads don't eliminate slick spots.
Parking uphill can be dangerous. Prevent your car from sliding down by turning your wheels towards the curb and use the emergency brake.
Altogether, these safety tips will allow for a smoother travel experience and make you a much more responsible driver as you go about this winter.